Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Looking to dive into artificial intelligence but not sure where to start? From free beginner-friendly courses to comprehensive paid programs, there are countless ways to build your AI skills online. In this video, we'll explore the best AI courses out there, covering everything from machine learning basics to advanced deep learning and real-world projects. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced developer aiming to upskill, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries and opening up new career paths. This guide highlights top online AI courses, both free and paid, covering machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and AI ethics. These courses help you acquire practical AI skills for career growth. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries and opening up new career paths. Online courses provide an accessible way for both beginners and professionals to learn AI. This guide covers the best AI courses online, including both free and paid options. Topics include machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and AI ethics. These courses help you gain practical AI skills for career advancement. Explore top free AI courses for beginners. Learn AI basics, machine learning, and ethics from platforms like Coursera, University of Helsinki, and Google AI. These courses are beginner-friendly and offer valuable knowledge without financial investment. This slide covers the IBM AI course on Coursera, which includes basics of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. It is beginner-friendly, requires no prior coding experience, and is best suited for AI beginners. The Stanford Machine Learning course on Coursera is ideal for beginners to intermediate learners. It covers supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, and real-world applications. It's popular with millions of students and taught by AI expert Andrew Ng. The Elements of AI course is online and self-paced, perfect for learners of AI theory and ethics. It covers AI fundamentals, decision-making, and ethics. The course is free, requires no prior knowledge, and offers a non-technical introduction to AI. The Google AI course is perfect for AI beginners and programmers. It covers machine learning concepts, TensorFlow basics, and real-world AI applications. The course includes hands-on coding exercises with real datasets and is developed by Google AI researchers. Free AI courses are cost-effective and accessible, providing essential knowledge without financial barriers. While they may lack certification, they are a great starting point for beginners. Explore top AI courses and certifications, including Deep Learning Specialization, Stanford's AI course, Microsoft AI 900, and AI for Everyone. Each course offers unique skills and benefits for different learner levels. The Deep Learning Specialization on Coursera is ideal for intermediate learners. It covers neural networks, CNNs, and NLP, and is taught by Andrew Ng. The course includes real-world AI projects and costs around $49 per month. Stanford Online offers a prestigious AI course for advanced learners and researchers. The curriculum covers AI problem-solving, probabilistic models, decision trees, and reinforcement learning. Taught by top researchers, this rigorous course costs around $1,600. Microsoft Learn offers the AI 900 certification, ideal for AI beginners focusing on cloud AI. It covers Azure AI services, machine learning, and AI model deployment. This certification is perfect for cloud-based AI professionals and costs $99. Coursera's AI for Everyone is perfect for AI enthusiasts, managers, and non-technical learners. It covers AI strategy, ethics, and workforce impact. No coding is needed, making it ideal for business implementation. The course costs around $49 per month. Paid courses provide high-quality content, hands-on projects, and career support, making them ideal for those seeking certifications and structured learning. When choosing an AI course, consider your experience level, career goals, certification needs, and budget constraints. Beginners can start with Google AI Crash Course or AI for Everyone. Aspiring machine learning engineers should opt for Stanford AI or Deep Learning Specialization. For career growth, Microsoft AI 900 or IBM AI Engineering are good choices. Free courses like Elements of AI and Google AI Crash Course provide excellent knowledge at no cost. AI courses can lead to lucrative careers. Machine learning engineers earn around $112,000 annually, data scientists $117,000, AI engineers $124,000, NLP engineers $118,000, and AI product managers $130,000. In summary, explore free and paid AI courses from Google, Stanford, Microsoft, and IBM. These courses cater to various learning needs and career goals. Start learning AI today and build your future. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Goodbye for now.